Mother Teresa was a mother of all poor people. She fed the hungry people. She helped all homeless people. In Baghdad, there is a monastery and is helping many children based on Mother Teresa principles. When I was a kid, I went with my aunt and mother. There were many of nuns who worked there to help children, especially the disabled ones. Those children didn't have families. When I was there, I played with them and I helped them to eat. Some of them had disability and couldn't stand or sit down, and some of them had Down's syndrome. Many volunteers came to help those children and take care of them. I felt so happy when I met and helped those children. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small and little things with great love. That is what Mother Teresa used to say.